Unbox and put together a cheap little tabletop fan. There we go. Now then, let's just see what we got here. It's $15. Actually has a metal frame on the outside. That's amazing. 15 bucks. How do they make that for 15 bucks? There's the bottom. Of course, it's plastic. And there's your fan part. There's the motor. I'd say 15 bucks at Walmart. So if it actually turns and runs, it'll be amazing. To me. Alright. There's part of the bottom. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to undo this. And I'm going to plug it up. To see just to see if it'll actually work. Yeah. Turns on, turns around. Alright. So, won't have to take it back to the store right away anyway. Alright. This part. Okay. Now, I'm not reading instructions, but it looks like this big knob goes in that big hole there, up there on the end. And these two right here snap down in these two holes. That's what it looks like. So let's just try it. Put that in there. Mash the sides. Get it down in there. There we go. And it just snaps on. That's pretty simple. Oh, we got a screw down here. What's that for? Guess I may need to read the instructions. I don't know. It's a fan. Just put that screw down for a moment. Open the blade up, plastic of course. But I'm still amazed that these are metal. I'm just the cheap one that I had before was plastic. Yeah, let's see here. I'm gonna get this. Looks like the handle probably goes on top. So put it right here. Wait a minute. Oh, we gotta get that off of there. That's what holds it on. About right. Alright, put your handle up. And let's see if we can find the hose. Yeah. See those little old tabs right there? There's two here and two there. And they go inside these slots right here. Right there. See? Right there. Oh! Run that back off the floor. Make sure it's in the little slot. There we go. And tighten it up pretty tight. There we go. Now just slide this on. You got the, what's the little metal deal sticking out. They need to be in this little old slot right here. You can see that. Alright, put that on. There we go. And put this knob on. And normally this is backwards threads. So I'm going to start it on backwards, and it is backwards threads. Oh, tighten it pretty tight. Alright. Now then, it's got an arrow right here. Is that up? Or down? I don't know. I'm going to say it doesn't matter. There's no logo on the side. It all looks the same. There's no holes anywhere around. But I'm going to put the arrow up anyway. And it fits down in this little slot right here. And of course these come out. This comes out. And this comes out. Alright, and I'm going to put the bottom one in that. Little there we go. Now then, it's in the bottom one and the top one, and then just click the side ones, and that is it. Now what's this screw for? I'm assuming that's where it goes right there. It's to hold this onto the base, I believe. And like I say, it will probably show you that in the instructions. Always read the instructions. That's what they say. That's exactly what that little screws are, though. There we go. Now then, let's test to see if it'll work. We'll see how good it'll work. Grab something. There we go. Excuse me. Get some stuff for my hands. I'm not the only one who uses this shop. I'll raise that up. I'm going to match number one. It does work. And it oscillates. Here's number two. And number three. Actually, a pretty quiet fan. got a pretty good breeze to it. Of course, that's on high. But I'm still amazed at the metal. It's a good looking fan. For 15 bucks, that is a good looking fan. Alright. That is that's the Mainstay electric fan. I got it on, yeah. We'll get it on English where I can read it. That's the Mainstay 12-inch table fan. And it was $15. Give or take, it was 14 something, $14.95 or 14 something at Walmart. It was 15 bucks. And it looks and works perfect. It'd be great. So no complaints. Alright. I guess that's it for now.